from Everglades National Park. We just parked at the trailhead of the Anhinga Trail. So kind of funny, but not funny. There are these crazy vulture things in the parking lot that like to pick the rubber pieces off of cars. So they actually have a box of tarps in the parking lot. So we just covered our rental car with a tarp and we're hoping it will be safe from the crazy vultures. All right, we are headed out on the Anhinga Trail, which is the #1 ranked trail in Everglades National Park, according to All Trails. A lot of the comments on All Trails, people were saying that they saw alligators, so I'm really hoping we can see an alligator. This trail is only 0.8 of a mile and it's ranked as easy, so it's pretty short and sweet. Really getting to see a lot of wildlife on the trail, but hoping we could see a gator before we leave. The crazy vultures that we are attempting to protect our rental car from. No alligators, unfortunately, but there are a ton of fish in the water. Anhinga Trail is complete. Off to the Gumbo Limbo Trail, which is right next to it. The vultures pulled the tarp off our car and they're like picking at it. Get out of here!
Get
out of here!
Go!
Get! Oh my god! Look what they did! Look what they're doing to the cars. Get out of here. Get out of here. These people have no idea and they didn't put tarps in their car. Get out of here. Get. I feel so bad for these people. So yeah, needless to say, we are going to scratch the Gumbo Limbo Trail for the safety of our rental car because we already have a lot of bite marks on the rubber parts of the car, which really sucks. Time for an airboat ride. We are at Everglades Safari Park, ready to take an airboat tour. Here we go!
and bottom. Now you try to look behind their throat, you can't. There's a piece of skin back there called the soft palate. They use it as a valve. This way they could kill underwater and not drown. These little guys grow about 5 inches every year. So now you're gonna have a chance to take a picture next to Snappy. There's no touching or holding due to the new law, but we have 2 options. One is called face off. That looks like this. Face off. And the other one, we can put them in front of you. You can take a picture like that also.
We just watched the alligator show and now we're walking the nature trail. I can't believe how many alligators we saw so far. We just arrived at the Shark Valley entrance and we saw a gator from the car. Pretty cool. Up next we have 2 o'clock tickets to the Shark Valley tram tour. Gator and her babies. So the tram tour is 15 miles long. It's 7.5 out, 7.5 back. At the halfway point, they take you to the tower, which you'll see momentarily in front of us. So you get to go up in the tower, soak up the views. Another way you could get here is by renting a bicycle, but we thought it would be more informative and we would see more wildlife if we took the tram tour. So we're enjoying it so far. This looks pretty similar to Clingman's Dome in Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Everglades National Park now. It was an incredible day in the park. The Anhinga Trail was awesome. The Airboat was amazing. And we saw so many gators on the tram tour. So it was a pretty epic day. I'm still in awe of how many gators we saw. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We are headed to Dry Tortugas National Park on Tuesday. So catch us there. We will see you guys on the next adventure.